Right, that's my new bike. Was that on your bingo card? You never know what I'm going to buy next, and people thought that I was joking. But yes, I have bought myself an 18-year-old Ninja with lots and lots of age-related marks, which is why it's so cheap. And here's the story on how it came to be. Right, morning. It's
Morning.
With Terry here. We are on a little road trip today, sort of thing.
Yeah, got me up at 6 a.m. on a Saturday.
And we're getting rid of one of my bikes. The PC50 has been sold and is going to a new owner. So with a bit of space, maybe go look at another bike today as well. Right, so we have just picked up this beauty. I'll put a picture on screen. It's in the van. It's coming home with me. You're going to live with me now. I'm going to look after you. You're going to live...
Goonies? Yeah. That's a Goonies reference.
You can live with me now. I'm going to look after you.
Guys.
Hey, you guys.
So let me talk to the camera. So I can tell you all now, Pezza just stole that bike for that price. Absolutely stole it.
There's literally nothing wrong with it. I can't see anything wrong with it.
It's got a few little scrapes and scratches, but it's an 18-year-old bike. You stole that.
He wanted it 1.1. He wanted for it as well, and 1.1 was probably about right. And we managed to get 50 quid off as well because the rear tyre is it's misshapen. So I will probably ride it with the rear tyre to see how bad it is. To see how bad it is because it's only an advisory.
Yeah.
So I will give it a little spin to see, see how it is. But I will order a new tyre, but I will have a ride of it first.
Absolutely, yeah. But you stole it. Absolutely stole that bike.
Would you say it's the bargain of the year?
I think it is. It's a lovely little bike. The guy bought it from a well-known breakers, repaired all the bits, rode it around. Yeah, it's lovely. 8,000 miles. Yeah, what a
5
bargain.
owners from new.
Nice little bargain, that.
Yeah, that was good.
It's probably the best bike you own now, as in the cleanest for now.
Cleanest and lowest mileage and most maintained, modern, probably reliable. Yeah, and it's a 250.
Yeah.
So I can go to all the SBBA events. I'll do a quick walk around. So that's my mileage. Yeah. Now it's not raining, but yeah, look at that. And not bad for its year and everything. Not going to grumble. Not going to grumble at all. Yeah, it is a very tidy-ish example. Quite a few scratches and scuffs and stuff, but it looks the part. Tail tidy, it could do with a tail tidy, but I don't see it when I ride, so I'm not going to spend any money like that. The only downside with it so far that I've found, this is why we got it for so cheap, or we knocked some money off, is, and you can't really see it on camera, but this is misshapen. Not sure what's happened there, but it is misshapen. So we need to get a new rear tyre. You feel it on the corners. It's like there's a drop off, and it's horrible. That needs to be done. And you can see there's age-related marks there, and some scuffs here and stuff like that, because it is a Cat N, so it was stolen, written off and all that. But other than that though, that I think is the bargain of the year. Look how good that looks. Oil isn't that dark, but I want to just change it so I know where I stand. Got some good quality stuff to go in, and I've got an oil filter. And what's really good about this bike is you can do it all, it looks like, without taking the fairing off. So I just need to undo that bolt there to take the oil filter out. Yeah, this is really not too bad to work on. I hate having to remove fairings to do servicing, and that's just perfectly located there. Right, so now let's change the tyre. That's got a weird shape to it.
It has got a weird shape to it.
How did that happen?
I think it's just the metal cords have shifted where it's been sat
for so long. Yeah, it's pretty bad. You feel it. Kerry has been suckered into this at the price of one bottle of cherry Coke.
I know, I'm too cheap.
Yeah. Oh,
Boy.
that was faster than if you. I mean, that helps a lot, but
Well,
still.
that's taken us what? 10 minutes? Not even 10 minutes.
Yeah, that was super quick.
Where did that tool go?
Can we just have one of these? Yeah, that was quick. And the project bike is done. That's it. Okay. I will upload another video later, maybe with my first impressions. Bye.